In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable or stop alerts from Surfshark VPN app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're getting a lot of alerts from this app or notifications from this VPN app and you wish to stop them, it's pretty simple. You need to access the app's info page. To do this, you can go to settings here, or alternatively the shortcut method is just long press on your app and you should see app info option. If you don't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear next to it here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Surfshark VPN app info page. At this point, go to permissions section, and under permissions you should see notifications. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, you can see all the types of notifications that have been turned on your app. Among them, we have notification badges, permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, lock screen, and floating notifications. With these on, you'll always receive those alerts. To disable them, just toggle off show notifications option that is on top here, and this will disable all the other types of notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive notifications or alerts from this app. So that's how you can permanently disable Surfshark notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.